Hi, welcome. Simon here, and hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to change out the M.2 drive as well as upgrading your laptop DDR4 RAM. So if you have this Dell computer, Inspiron 15, I think the model here is, let me take a look here. If you turn around and take a look at the back of your laptop, you should be able to see it says Dell Inspiron 15 3511. 3511 is the model of this laptop, and what I'm going to do is to kind of take it apart to show where is the M.2 drive is, as well as the DDR4 RAM on the second slot where you can upgrade more RAM to speed things up. And also, if you're interested to change the hard drive, then this video is going to help you with that. But before I do that, I just want to point out to you, I received this Kaisi. This is 139 pieces in one repair toolkit. So definitely I need this. It does help me to work on all laptops, all MacBooks, all Apple products, including iPad and iPhone, because I do see a Pentalobe, which is for most of the MacBook. I see TriPoint, which is for most of the iPhones, and of course we do have Torx, Philips, and whatnot. All right, so if you're not sure where to buy the tools, I'll link it down in the description below. Good product, brand new, and I just received it. I mean, I used them before in the past, so I do know that they have a variety of this, but my version was slightly lower. So I'll be using this one, brand new, and I need a Phillips screwdriver, so I'll be using a Phillips. I think it's PH. Let's just use the Phillips PH0. Okay. Come on. All right, let's go ahead and get started. Turn it around in the back of the computer. Go ahead and remove the screws. And again, the top left corner, the screw does not come off. And that screw is just to separate the back cover. That is the plastic back cover. That is the screw here in the middle. And the top right screw. Again, it does not come off. It stays with the plastic. I'm going to work on the one here in the middle. The screws are all the same size, so if you mix match the screw, it should not be a big deal. They're more or less the same size. Okay, once you have removed all the screws, you can see that the back cover here is being separated because of the screw. That's the whole reason why they do that. And get a plastic prying tool. Go ahead and tuck it underneath the computer like such. And trying to separate the back cover. And you can just remove the entire back cover like so. At this point, if you want to disconnect the battery, here is the battery connector. All you have to do is just slide it down. Let me just kind of zoom it in a little bit for you. So to remove the battery connector, all you have to do is just slide the connector down towards the body. Now, they do come with one RAM. They're already pre-installed. And if you're looking to upgrade additional RAM, this is the DDR4 RAM. As you can see, 4 GB PC4. PC4 stands for DDR4. And what you want to do is make sure the gap here is aligned with the slot on the RAM here, like so. Slide it in at 45-degree angle, and then to install, you just push it down. The two side clipper would clip and lock the RAM in place. Now let's talk about the M.2 SSD drive. As you can see, here is your M.2. This is the full size, and they kind of give you a tiny little size. Let me go ahead and use the screwdriver PH0 to remove that screw. Zoom out slightly little so you can see that is just a bracket, okay? And this is a thermal pad to conduct the heat off of the M.2 drive. This is a mini version of M.2. It's tiny little hard drive. It runs on 256 gigabyte. Okay, if you have a replacement of this, if you want a larger, you can actually slide it in and just have the screw going back here to install and to upgrade your M.2 drive. If you're not sure where to buy the tools and the replacement parts, check the link down description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay, where you can buy the tools and the replacement parts for your Dell laptop. If you do find this video is helpful, all I'm asking is just a smash of a like button. Give me a thumbs up. If you feel like subscribe to the channel, please feel free to do that because it is free to subscribe. What else I need to talk about? Oh yeah, once you upgrade the hard drive, that new hard drive does not have Windows on it. So you definitely need to get one of these USB installer to install a new window into your M.2 drive. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.